Hey guys, Justin here of Tech, and being old doesn't mean you need to have an older device. Although some seniors prefer a familiar, simple, and straightforward feature phone, some golden agers want the touchscreen modern smartphones. Now honestly, it will really depend on the elders' comfort with technology, and don't worry, we're not going to suggest that you get the jitterbug. So to guide you in choosing the right one, keep on watching and give us a quick thumbs up below. The first one is the Huawei Y Max. When Huawei placed Max in its name, they literally meant it. This phone, rather a phablet, has a large screen at 7.12 inch, which is perfect for seniors who want a big phone to keep their text size, apps, and other features on a large scale. The Y Max also has a large 5000 mAh battery, decent cameras, 4GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage that's upgradable via micro SD card up to 256GB. This was released early 2019, so it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo skinned with EMUI 8.2 out of the box. So yes, it has legit Google services even if it's a Huawei device. The Y Max now retails for 14,990 pesos. Next is the Samsung Galaxy A71. As one of Samsung's latest competitive mid-ranger, the A71 is pretty much an all-around phone with a clean and easy to navigate One UI 2.0. It has a large 6.7-inch screen, good performance with a Snapdragon 730G, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512GB via micro SD card. It also has a 4500 mAh battery with 25-watt super fast charging and an on-screen fingerprint scanner. The official price for the Galaxy A71 is 22,990 pesos. If you're on a tighter budget but still want a phone that doesn't stutter, then check out the Realme 5 Pro. Besides its splash-resistant edgy design, this smartphone features good cameras, a battery that can last you a day and even more depending on your usage, with a 4035 mAh capacity with support for 20-watt VOOC 3.0 flash charge. Its UI, ColorOS 6, is customizable, but it may have a few bloatware that you won't need. This can be fixed by some basic home screen organization or download an app like Novel Launcher. The price for the Realme 5 Pro starts at 11,990 pesos for the 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that's expandable up to 256GB via micro SD card. Fourth on our list is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. This famous bang for your buck smartphone is a good start for an elderly who wants to capture a lot of memories without breaking the bank. It also has a solid build and a lag-free performance with a MediaTek G90 chip, 6GB of RAM, and 64 or 128GB of internal storage. It can also last a whole day and more for moderate users with its 4500 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. The Redmi Note 8 Pro is priced at 11,490 pesos for the 6GB plus 64GB variant and 12,990 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB one. Next up is the premium-looking and sophisticated Nokia 8.1 that has just the right size and grip with curved edges and a 6.1-inch PureView display. It highlights an Android One experience, so getting around this phone should be simple and uncomplicated. You can also rely on its advanced camera features backed by Zeiss with good video stabilization that can get handy when in parties or reunions. The Nokia 8.1 has an SRP of 19,990 pesos. Number 6 is the OnePlus 7T for seniors who, well, don't settle. Well, kidding aside, for 29,990 pesos, the OnePlus 7T is a snappy, functional, and more of a dope-looking smartphone for a senior. Besides its easy-to-grip body, it gets a flatter display compared to other OnePlus devices, which makes it less of a hassle for seniors to worry about. But at the same time, the 7T flaunts that vibrant and smooth 90Hz refresh rate display with Oxygen OS 10 for software, making it easy to navigate but still customizable without too much bloatware. Camera-wise, this device definitely delivers even with shaky hands. Upgrading on this list is the latest iPhone SE. It may be the cheapest modern iPhone you can get for 26,490 pesos, but it packs just the right features a senior may need for a welcome to the Apple ecosystem. It has the same A13 Bionic chip that's found on the iPhone 11 Pro and advanced cameras compared to its predecessor. So this is a good phone for a senior who simply wants an Apple device, or if majority in the family and group of friends are iPhone users, so they can easily communicate through iMessage and FaceTime. And finally, another cool smartphone for our dear senior citizens is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite that retails for 29,990 pesos. It gets the key features of the flagship Galaxy Note 10 family with the convenience of the S Pen, of course, and a large 6.7-inch AMOLED screen. There's no doubt on performance, cameras, and battery with its 4,500 mAh capacity with fast charging support. It's also a plus that it has unique design color options including Aura Red, Aura Glow, and Aura Black. And that's it, guys. We hope you find the right smartphone for your lolos and lolas. Let us know in the comments what smartphone your tech-savvy seniors are currently using, or which one are you planning to buy for them. Since you stayed with us till the end, here are a few tips to make your smartphones more convenient for seniors. First is to scale up everything you can, like text and apps, to make it easier for them to read. Second is to invest in a robust case and good screen protector. Some seniors prefer a case with a built-in cover. And last is to lock the home screen apps on place, so they won't accidentally remix or look for apps. Alright, we hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.